On the road from Singapore to Mandalay, the race. The great race that goes to Volvo. We're at the checkpoint here. You got the police and the army and the police dogs. You got the fighting chickens. And here comes a lady here, cruising down the road. Sawadee-ka. She's from Burma. That's why she's looking kind of paranoid, because there's army and police here. Look at that! Look at the ladder going up the tree. They can get an observation point. So there's the army and police, and they're fighting chickens, keep them occupied, and give them some good food once in a while when they lose. Got some real nice anti-drug dogs. Got a black lab. I don't want to stir him up. That's a German Shepherd there. So they'll find those drugs. Well, they got cameras now. Here they come. Next contestant is the Singapore to Mandalay race, 2015. That's the Australian car. Australia only made one kind of car, and that was it. Looks like a Dodge. I thought it was a Dodge. You got the surveillance cameras. So we'll take a video of the video maker. So this is the Singapore to Mandalay race, 2015, and they're leaving every minute. There's a car. This is just a couple of hot Thai chicks on a motorbike. But so this is what it looks like to be at a checkpoint in Thailand. Manning a checkpoint. So we're manning a checkpoint here. Oh, you better slow down, motherfucker. You better slow that motherfucker down, man. He's got to be army or police driving through that fast. So we're waiting for the next car coming through here. They're leaving about a car a minute. Look at the size of that tree down there. So this is a race from Singapore to Mandalay. It must be a month-long race. They race across Africa and South America and across America and all over the world. Now in Mongolia. Now they're going to Burma. So this is the road to Burma. Here comes a Porsche. They have to pay 50 grand to enter the race. There they go. There goes the Porsche from Germany. And there goes the freezing Burmese chick. So we're at the checkpoint here. We'll sign off for the next car coming by. We'll leave you with the fighting chickens. Okay, man. Let's get some boxing going on here. Come on.